I have just imported our new low poly model to this program. This is Rhythm UV. We're gonna create UV for this model. As you can see, we haven't imported eyes and other parts because currently we need UV only for the body part. We're gonna bake this placement map from our blockout to this model. Now we need to find the ways to cut. I think that we can cut from here. You can just double click and it will select the loop and press C to cut. We can cut it also here the same way. We can also cut it here. The same parts. Cut. And now we're gonna press U. As you can see, it unwraps, it unfolds. U. Now we need to unwrap the head. For the best unfold work, we're gonna just find the right way to cut. When you click on the edge and you hold the shift, you can see where you want to cut. With the control, you can also, for example, I need to cut here. Nice. Okay, let's find the right way to cut. Also, I think that I will cut it here, make it a little bit. Now you can see overlaps. We can fix it with just clicking this button. As you can see, now it's done, it's fixed. Also, you can see curved edges. For optimizing the UV space, we need to make them vertical or horizontal. For example, I can select this, and I can just constrain edge. Now you can see that it's fixed. Also the same things for these parts. And we need just to make the other, we need to push the other button horizontally. The same thing we're gonna do for the head. The underline, we're gonna make it this way just for checking it out. As you can see, it looks very different. We can also just, when you press O, it will optimize it. We can select all, Control and A together and just press O. Also P, it's for packing. Now let's find the right way for this part too. Something like this. It shows where you need to select the other side. And you're gonna do the same thing here, maybe. For this part too. We need select all together and press O for optimizing it. It will do the best. And just P. As you can see, we can't rotate it because we have selected for this part horizontally constrained edge, but we can just, if we are done with unfolding and optimizing it, we just need to park. We can select everything and press unconstrained edges. Okay, now it's done. We just need to pack everything together. I will also select 90 degree and press E. Let's see what happens. Also, we can do another thing. We can make the head a little bit bigger because the main part is the head, but not too much, something like this. We need to change this part to keep because we don't need to make everything to follow the size. We just need to keep and pack the size difference and pack. Also, we can do this way. Maybe we can also make it a little bit bigger, a little bit more. It looks good for fast packing, and it's done. On the next, we're gonna export the displacement map from blockout mesh. We will start sculpting, but before that we need to create stencils for skin details.